figured it out. I figured it out from black and white, seconds and hours. Maybe they had to take some time. I know how it goes.
Saya terima nikah Wanda Apriani Lingga binti Jahanlingga di kandung abang. Untuk saya maharnya 10 mayak emas tunai.
Silence and sound. Did they ever hold each other tight like us? Did they ever fight like us? You and I.
Hafiz, selamat menempuh hidup baru. Happy wedding. Semoga menjadi keluarga sakinah, warahmah, mawaddah. Langgeng terus. Amin.
Not even the gods above can separate the two of us. No, nothing can come between you and I.
Kepada Wanda dan Hafiz, selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah dan mawaddah warahmah hingga akhir usia.
Figured it out. Saw the mistakes of up and down. Meet in the middle. There's always room for common ground. I see what it's like.
Buat Wanda dan Hafid, Kalista dan Kamole ucapkan selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah, warahmah. Buat Hafid titip Wanda ya.
Neng, tahun ini udah berumah tangga, jangan kayak dulu lagi. Doain boleh juga ya. Selamat buat Wanda dan Hafid ya, biar menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah, warahmah.
Mengucapkan selamat berbahagia, semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah, warahmah.
Not even the gods above can separate the two of us. We don't wanna be like them. We can make it till the end. Nothing can come between you and I. Not even the gods above can separate the two of us. No, nothing can come between you and I. Oh, you and I.
Happy wedding, Tante Wanda. We wish that everything like your life become better and better before your previous life. Thank you.
Just you and I. We don't wanna be like them. We can make it till the end. Nothing can come between you and I. Not even the gods above can separate the two of us. No, nothing can come between you and
Ya, kami ucapkan terima kasih kepada saudara yang telah menyaksikan pesta pernikahan anak kami ini. Semoga kiranya anak kami mendapat didoakan semoga berbahagia, kekal pernikahannya dari semoga mendapat hidup berumah tangga, sakinah wardah warahmah. Inilah harapan kami dari keluarga mempelai pria.